Hey everyone, it's Jonas here. I just wanted to give you a very quick look at these results I'm getting, and Magic's team asked me to maybe show it to you just because this is really amazing. Well, here you can see an average ROAS of 3.17. Now, in this month of May, I have been getting sites from two fronts, right? Results. And here, if you see in one of the filters and I go to campaign name, if I write Magic's, I add it here, you will see that in total Magics have given me 3.5 in average ROAS for all my ad sets. And now I can right now put not contain Magics, and all the campaigns that do not have anything to do with Magics, all them sum up to 1.41. That's pretty crazy to think, like, I'm actually working my ass to make these campaigns work, and Magics with the automations and artificial intelligence algorithms, whatever they do, is making my campaigns and my ROAS in general go up. So I just found it crazy. They made me the favor, and I thought maybe I can do a favor for them. Basically, they have boosted my CTR, unique CTR, my outbound CTR is just pretty amazing. So it was a quick call out to magics.com. I think you guys will really enjoy to check it out. So yeah, thanks for listening, and happy scaling.